In emergency medical conditions such as road accidents or heart attack, the patient needs immediate medical attention and has to be carefully transferred to the hospital. An ambulance is a specialized vehicle that is attached to the hospital system, which is on call at any point of the day. Once a call is received, the ambulance reaches the patient location. The ambulance is equipped with emergency equipment that is needed to maintain a safe condition of the patient during the travel from a location to the hospital. The vehicle is specially designed and has trained professionals who take care of the patient during the travel. Once the ambulance arrives into the hospital, it is your duty to work as a team with the ambulance personnel and other hospital assistants to arrange for the safe transfer of the patient into their concerned wards. Depending on the condition of the patient, you transfer the patient using a stretcher if the patient is unable to move. If the patient is able to move, then use a wheelchair and transfer the patient to their respective wards. Arrangements for patient transfer from the ambulance. Before the ambulance arrives, learn from the nurse in charge the method of transfer and get the necessary vehicle, wheelchair, stretcher or bed ready. Confirm which unit or ward the patient has to be transferred to. Check if it is ready. Check if any equipment such as medication, oxygen supply, etc. have to be transferred with the patient. Ensure that at least 2 other hospital assistants are ready to assist you if the transfer needs to be done on a stretcher. Once the ambulance arrives, coordinate with the ambulance team and gather all the equipment needed for the transfer. Collect the belongings of the patient and make a plan of transfer with the other hospital assistants. Arrange for a stretcher or a wheelchair based on the condition of the patient. Carry all the medical charts and reports along with the patient into the ward and hand them over to the nurse. Depending on the condition of the patient, there are different techniques that you need to apply to transfer a patient. Techniques of transferring a patient using a stretcher. The stretcher is used for patients who are often too sick to transfer themselves in and out of the ambulance to the ward bed. The patient in the ambulance is transferred in a lying down position on the ambulance stretcher bed. The steps involved in the transfer of a patient using a stretcher are as follows. Adjust the height of the stretcher to your waist level so that you are not bending while transferring the patient. Align the stretcher with the ambulance bed. With the help of the ambulance team and hospital assistants, move the patient to the side of the bed by rolling him or her towards you. Support the patient at the shoulders and buttocks area to transfer from the ambulance bed to a stretcher. Transfer the patient on the stretcher that has wheels. Carefully guide the stretcher towards the appointed ward. Ensure that the attachments to the ambulance bed are also smoothly transferred along with the patient from the ambulance to the ward. Hand over the belongings and the patient medical charts, if any, to the nurse once you enter the ward. Techniques of transferring a patient using a wheelchair. If the patient is able to move on his or her own, then you can use a wheelchair for transferring the patient into the ward. Before the ambulance arrives, keep the wheelchair ready for use. The steps involved in the transfer of a patient using a wheelchair are as follows. With the help of the ambulance team, align the wheelchair with the ambulance bed. Assist the patient in moving from the ambulance bed and stepping out of the ambulance. Carefully transfer the patient to the wheelchair. Ensure that the patient is comfortably seated in the wheelchair. Transfer the patient smoothly without any jerks while moving the wheelchair. Do not rush the patient into the ward. Transferring a patient from the ambulance to the ward is a team effort. You should be ready with a plan of transfer for each patient. You should be prepared to plan and coordinate for a smooth transfer of the patient from the ambulance to the ward.